Hello everybody, hello students. How are you today? I hope you are all fine, and today we are going to learn how to understand and how to create descriptive text. Let's get started. Here we are going to learn the purpose, the generic structure, the language features of a descriptive text. Hero. This is Hero, my pet. It is a green iguana, but its name doesn't represent its color. It is brown with a faint black band around its tail. Hero looks like a little dragon. It is about 40 centimeters long and about 2.5 kilograms. It has scales on some parts of its body. It also has strong legs. They are useful for swimming and climbing trees. It likes vegetables very much. Hero eats water spinach, carrots, cucumbers, and other vegetables. I sometimes give Hero some small insects. They are good for Hero's bones, so it won't suffer from osteoporosis. So students, this is one of the examples of a descriptive text. Now let's talk about the purpose of a descriptive text. Now let's have a look at the text about Hero once more. Okay. What does the writer want to tell through his text? What does he want to say? So the writer probably wants to describe about his pet animal, or he wants to introduce his pet animal named Hero to others. Those are the purposes maybe of the writer to write the text about Hero. And other purposes of descriptive text are to promote someone or something. So if you'd like to promote someone or something, you can use a descriptive text. For example, you want to promote your friends to be chief of a student's board, so you can use the descriptive text to promote him or her. And then to show how proud the writer or the speaker toward someone or something. So if you want to tell about how proud you are towards your teacher because he is very nice or he is very helpful to you, you can use descriptive text to show or to tell others about him or her. And another purpose is to criticize something or someone. Suppose you want to criticize the condition of a building, you can use descriptive text to express your criticism. We are going to talk about the generic structure of a descriptive text or susunan umum sebuah teks deskriptif. Usually, a descriptive text consists of identification and then description. In the identification, the writer is trying to introduce the person or the things that he is or she is going to describe. And the detail of the person or the thing is put in the description. In the description, the writer describes the features, its feature or each features, such as the shape, the color, or any other things related to the person or the things that the writer wants to describe. Let's have a look. Here is the text of Hero, and then we have learned that there are two parts or two things in a structure of a descriptive text, the first is the identification and the second is the description. So can you guess? The first paragraph is, of course, right, the identification. Here, the writer is trying to introduce the pet or hero to the readers. So this is hero, my pet, and he gave a little description about his pet hero. And the details about hero is put in the second and the third paragraph. So here's the description about, okay, the second paragraph is about the physical appearance of hero. Like he looks like a little dragon, and then also the size of hero, and also the other features of hero's body. So the physical appearance. And then the third paragraph, in the third paragraph, the writer is trying to describe the diet of hero. So hero's diet, what does he eat? Here the writer mentioned that hero likes to eat spinach, carrots, and others. And also the writer mentioned about the insects that hero sometimes consume for its health. The next is the language features of a descriptive text or ciri-ciri kebahasaan sebuah teks deskriptif. The first is that the use of noun or the noun phrase. Suppose you're going to talk about your pet animal, that is a cat. So you're going to talk about its ear, its tail, fur, leg, and paws. And those are called the noun. Okay, the noun. The ear, the tail, the fur, the legs, and the paw are all nouns. And what about the noun phrase? To tell the detail of your cat, you need to tell about how long is the tail. And you will use a noun phrase like, my cat has a long tail, for example. And also another example is that, for example, you want to tell about how the fur of your pet cat. You will say that my cat has fluffy fur. The next is the use of adjectives in a descriptive text. The use of adjective in descriptive text is very important because the adjectives will clarify your description. Have a look at this man. This is one of very popular person in the K-pop industry. You want to say that, oh, he is very blah 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 blah, for example. You will start the word by the letter H here. This boy is very excellent. He is very handsome. Number 2. Vanessa likes helping others. She is a blah 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 girl. Okay, find the adjective which complete the gap. Vanessa likes helping others. She is a blah 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 girl. Helping, so helpful, excellent. Number 3. This is my mom. She does a lot of things every day. My mom is very blah 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 blah. So it will start with the letter B. So you must know the answer, right? Okay, the answer is BC. Great. Now, number 4. Our English teacher is a blah 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 person. She's always friendly to us. Okay, it will start with N. So you must know the answer, right? Good. The answer is nice. Excellent. The number 5. So Garfield is a blah 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 cat. All he does is sleeping and eating. Okay. the adjective will start with the letter L. You must know the answer, right? Good, it's lazy. So Garfield is a lazy cat. The next one, number 6. My apartment is very blah blah blah. It has 30 floors. It will start with the letter T. Look at the building. Correct. So the answer is tall. My apartment is very tall. Number 7. Tanya is a blah 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 girl. She's never sad. Okay, she's never sad. So the adjective will start with the letter C. Okay, very good. Cheerful, because she's never sad. So Tanya is a cheerful girl. Last one, number 8. Mrs. Dixon is blah 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 blah. She likes talking a lot. Okay, she likes talking a lot is the key. Okay, so the adjective will start with T. Good. The answer is talkative. She likes talking a lot because she's a talkative lady. The next one is the use of simple present tense. So here, this is from the text about Hiro. We have found that Hiro eats boiled spinach. So eat here, it shows that the verb is in present tense, right? And then I sometimes give, not give, because it is present, okay? And then the use of attributive verb like is, am, or, and this is the example. This is Hiro, my pet. It is a green iguana. Okay, so next time you are going to write or to speak using a descriptive text, you know how to make it, and of course you know how to understand a descriptive text from the explanation that you have just heard. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.